If she got arrested for some reason, what would it be?
harassment का केस लग जाए इस पे.
Getting caught in hookah parlor.
Maybe hitting someone.
So are you guys best friends, sisters?
Best friend. Yeah.
So I'll ask you compatibility questions about each other. Let's see how well do you know each other. My first question is, what is that one food that she'll never share?
बन मस्का. दाल राइस.
कॉलेज से निकलो और पहली चीज है बन मस्का खाओ.
वो भी मैं ही दिलाऊं.
शाबाश बेटा.
I just made a watermelon juice and he was not ready to share it with me. I still have the
That's
bottle.
it, bro. She brings it for me. Why is she drinking from it?
True,
So
nobody
mine.
should drink it.
Yeah, of course, it is mine.
Chinese sushi.
Thumbs up.
We can have sushi breakfast, lunch, and dinner 6 days a week.
If she had to delete one app forever, which one would it be? Instagram, WhatsApp or Netflix?
Instagram for sure.
Instagram for sure.
She has deleted it once, and I know she was very happy during that time. So yeah.
I have seen her productivity go this from this because of Instagram.
Lanchan लगा दिया.
WhatsApp.
I think WhatsApp.
There's no entertainment in
Yeah, there's no
We
entertainment
need
in WhatsApp.
entertainment.
I think it's Bumble.
That is meant to be deleted.
It is meant to be deleted and hopefully I never download it again.
What's the ultimate comfort movie when life sucks?
Ajab Pinky Gajab.
Yeah.
Blue car. What is that? Cobalt blue. There's a movie called Cobalt
Is
Blue.
that correct?
Yeah.
Maybe ZNMD.
Wake up set.
कुछ कुछ होता है कभी खुशी कभी गम all of that full
Yeah.
Bollywood अच्छा 90s वाला.
It's a horror podcast that they narrate stories in Bengali, so she listens to that every night and falls asleep to it. So that is something that
Falling asleep to horror stories, लोगों की नींदें उड़ जाती है उससे.
मुझे आती है. इसको आती है.
Okay, what's the one thing that she'll never admit out loud, but you know that's true?
Something related to her taste in men, actually.
That she wants to be in a relationship.
She will never admit that वो गुस्से में है but वो गुस्से में हमेशा रहती है.
If they could watch only one Bollywood actor's movie for the rest of her life, what would it be?
Shahid Kapoor.
Dulquer Salman.
Preeti Zinta I guess.
Alia Bhatt. Yeah. It's Vicky Kaushal.
If she got arrested for some reason, what would it be?
Falling off from trees drunk. Yeah.
What?
Harassment का केस लग जाए इस पे.
Getting caught in hookah parlor.
Maybe hitting someone. She is very capable of hitting someone.
आप मारते हो actually.
Maybe vandalism or something.
Great guys, you have a crazy compatibility. It's almost like a 10 on 10 and you have a really cool product to give you. So here are some really cool socks from Hexafen. So these are not regular, normal, boring socks, but fun, interesting socks. So I would love for you to open and let me know कि आपको कैसे लगे.
I love the colors.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Yo, this is cool.
It's very cool.
I would actually use this as a like a scarf or something. 100%. I love it.
Bro, I am a runner and a cyclist. So I like to wear those socks while running, bro.
Let's go.
I was actually going to buy. You literally said you're attracted to socks yesterday. Yeah, exactly. I literally said that. I love socks.
It's very funky and very cool. Like for people like us, it's very
Like our personality.
Let's go. So clearly people had great compatibility with each other. And if you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and like, comment and share on this video. Let's go.